Hello, I'm Chef Johnny. This is Texas Style Cuisine, and for my kitchen tip today, I'm just going to show you how we get a deer roast ready to go. Y'all may have seen my video on how to break down a hind quarter. Well, this is the sirloin tip that came off the front side of that leg quarter. And all I'm going to do is get off some of this extra skin here. Little fascia on the outside. But what I look for is, if you see right here, there's silver skin. Now that silver skin is what's tough. So I'm going to cut thinly underneath it. And I'm just going to take the silver skin off of this little roast. I'll probably end up cooking both these at the same time. Daughter's going to be coming home, so she loves deer meat. Both of my kids do. But I'm going to save this roast for her, so I'll probably just cook them both. And we'll braise these. But just take that silver skin off. Not a whole lot on this muscle, a little bit. But we're just going to keep working it off of there. Okay, right here. Knife goes underneath. And again, when you're doing this, you kind of, once I get my knife kind of underneath that silver skin, I kind of act like I'm going up with my blade instead of down. And it keeps it right along the edge of that silver skin, so I'm not getting too much of the meat. Here we go here. Right there. That's all good right there. That one looks pretty good. So we'll do this one the same way. Come in here. You can see I already started on this one a little bit. Did that when I took it off the hind quarter the other day. But we just go right under the skin. A little bit more silver skin off of here. And now down on this end down here. See this loose right here? Get that off. Right barely underneath the surface. Silver skin's coming off. Right, look here. Always good to have a nice sharp knife when you're doing this. A little fascia up on this, but it's really not silver skin, so I'm not going to worry about it. Got a little silver skin here on the back side. Thin cut, got it off. And when I cook this, and y'all will get a chance to see this later on. Be a couple of weeks, but daughter, when she comes home, we're going to cook these up. Maybe I can get her in the video with me. She likes to cook with me. She's actually thinking about starting her own channel. But right there, we'll take this and take some butcher's twine just to hold it together nicely, because it's kind of open right here. Don't squeeze it tight, just hold it together. That'll help it cook real nice. But that was trimmed up. That was trimmed up. Now I'm going to vacuum seal them in my food saver. Get those ready to go into the freezer, and they can stay in there till she gets home. We'll pull them out about 3 days early and let them thaw out. And we're going to make us some really nice venison roast. Hope you enjoyed this little quick tip on how to trim up a venison roast. And if you did, go down there and give me a thumbs up. Always appreciate that. Give this a try. If you're doing your own deer, or if you're not, tell the processor, hey, save me those sirloin tips off those back hams. And if you do that, they're going to give you those two little nice roasts right there, and they are wonderful, packed full of flavor, taste good. Thanks for stopping by. I always appreciate that. Give me that thumbs up. Tell your friends and family about us. Let them know what's going on Texas Style Cuisine. Hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. And we'll see you down the road on Texas Style Cuisine.